Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting product that has captured the attention of drone enthusiasts and content creators alike, the DJI Mavic 4 Pro Triple Camera Drone Creator Combo. We found this incredible product online, and we've included a link in the description below so you can check the latest price and availability. Now, let's get into what makes the Mavic 4 Pro stand out in the competitive world of drones. At its core, this drone is not just a flying camera. It's a sophisticated aerial photography tool designed for professionals and passionate hobbyists who demand the best. The centerpiece of this drone is its impressive 100-megapixel Hasselblad camera, featuring a 4/3 CMOS sensor that delivers stunning detail and true-to-life color reproduction. This camera is complemented by two telephoto lenses that open up a world of creative possibilities, allowing users to capture dramatic zoom shots and cinematic perspectives. With advanced features like dual native ISO and RAW stacking, you're equipped to achieve unparalleled image quality and dynamic range. One of the standout features of the Mavic 4 Pro is its infinity gimbal, which provides 360 degrees rotation. This revolutionary design enables you to capture gravity-defying shots and dynamic angles without compromising stability. The upgraded Active Track 360 degrees feature ensures that your subject stays perfectly in focus, even in complex, low-light scenarios. Plus, with its sophisticated omnidirectional vision system, powered by 6 fisheye sensors and LiDAR technology, the drone can detect and avoid obstacles from all directions, making your flight safer and more confident. For those of you who love extended flights, you'll be thrilled to know that the Mavic 4 Pro offers an impressive 51-minute flight time and a range of up to 41 kilometers, or 25.4 miles. This means you can explore vast landscapes and capture the perfect shot without the constant worry of battery life. The DJI 4 Plus 10-bit HDR video transmission system also ensures a reliable connection, streaming crystal-clear video from distances of up to 30 kilometers, even in challenging environments. One of the features that really sets the Mavic 4 Pro apart is its streamlined professional workflow. The built-in 512GB SSD eliminates the hassle of fragile memory cards, allowing for quick and easy file transfers. With the blazing fast Wi-Fi 6 quick transfer, you can transfer massive 100 MB RAW files in seconds, or simply connect the drone directly to your computer via USB for editing. This efficiency means you can spend less time managing data and more time creating stunning content. So, who is the DJI Mavic 4 Pro suitable for? This drone is perfect for professional photographers, videographers, and content creators who require top-tier performance and image quality. It's also an excellent choice for serious hobbyists who want to take their aerial photography to the next level. Whether you're shooting breathtaking landscapes, capturing events, or creating cinematic films, this drone will meet your needs. In practical use cases, imagine using the Mavic 4 Pro to film a wedding from unique angles, capturing stunning real estate footage that highlights properties in vibrant detail, or documenting your adventurous travels with breathtaking aerial shots. The creative possibilities are virtually limitless. In conclusion, the DJI Mavic 4 Pro Triple Camera Drone Creator Combo is a powerful tool for anyone serious about aerial photography and videography. With its exceptional camera system, advanced tracking features, and efficient workflow, it's designed to help you master every shot. Thanks for watching.